Changing someone's ringtone on an iPhone is so simple, it's almost laughable. But it also comes with its quirks. Maybe you're doing this to prank them with a ridiculous sound or helping them personalize their phone. Either way, let's dive in. First, you'll need their actual iPhone in your hands. This isn't something you can do remotely. If they're paranoid about their belongings, getting access might require some James Bond-level maneuvering. Or, just ask nicely. With the phone unlocked, head straight for the Settings app. You'd think something simple like this would be right there on the home screen, but most people have it buried in a folder. Pro tip: if you swipe down on the screen, you can quickly type Settings in the search bar. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to Sounds and Haptics. This is where all the magic happens. Honestly, it's wild how much you can customize here. Ringtones, text tones, vibration patterns. Did you know you can even make custom vibrations? Wild. Tap on Ringtone, and you'll see the default options Apple gives you. All the classics like Reflection and the iconic Marimba are here. But if you're like me, you want something different, something, dare I say, iconic. Scroll to the top, and you'll see an option that says Tone Store. If you really want to upgrade their ringtone game, you can purchase actual songs from here. Think $1.29 for a Taylor Swift banger versus endless joy every time their phone rings. If you're working on a budget, the free ringtones are in the free tones category. Just tap one to preview it. This might make you feel like you're stuck in 2005, scrolling through options like xylophone and old phone. But hey, nostalgia wins. Now let's talk custom ringtones. Plug their iPhone into a computer and open iTunes. Yes, I know plugging a device into a computer in 2023 feels ridiculous, but bear with me. It's the fastest way to get unique ringtones. Pick a 30-second segment of an audio file you want to use. It could be a clip of you yelling their name or something hilariously absurd. Convert it to AAC format, change the extension to DEM4R, and then drag it into the Tone section in iTunes. Yes, it's a process, but this trick makes you feel like a tech wizard. Sync their phone, and boom, it's added to their ringtone list. Go back to Sounds and Haptics, tap Ringtone, and select the new tone from the list. This is the part where you realize all that effort was entirely worth it. Here's where the chaos begins. Set it to the most obnoxious sound you can find. Test it once to confirm. And if this was a prank, make sure to run for cover as soon as their phone rings in public. Lastly, take a moment to pat yourself on the back. Whether you just changed their ringtone for practical reasons or orchestrated a harmless sound bomb, you've mastered a tiny but impactful hack in iPhone life. Job well done.